Tell me one thing, if there is there...
Today, you will have a nice big fat omelette on your face.
No, I think that when a petition is filed like this, they must be backed by some evidence. For example, if they are saying that there are call records and WhatsApp chats which reveal frequent and deep communication between Rhea, Chakraborty and Aaditya Thackeray contradicting public claims and directly linking them to the Disha SSR murder, then the telecom records, WhatsApp chats, all these details, Yogiraj Gade, if they come out, they'll be sensational, no? After that, you'll have to keep him in jail. I'm asking you, Yogiraj. Pardon me?
Let the information come out first. Okay. And if this information is with the government agencies since the last 5 years.
Were Aaditya Thackeray and Rhea Chakraborty in touch with each other?
The government is not efficient.
Were Rhea Chakraborty and Aaditya Thackeray in touch with each other?
Why does it take her father to come ahead for this? The government should have done this role. If, whatever the father says in the court.
Sanju.
The agencies, the
Did
government
Aaditya
agencies should have
Thackeray
come
attend that infamous party which culminated in the death of Disha Salian on the 8th of June 2020. Was Aaditya Thackeray present at that party, yes or no? Was Sooraj Pancholi present, yes or no? Was Dino Morea present, yes or no? Was Disha Salian gang rape, yes or no? Was the police manipulated by
because I can
Uddhav
barely hear
Thackeray?
the BJP
Was Satish
spokesperson?
Salian manipulated by Uddhav Thackeray and the police commissioner then in 2020 into believing that Disha Salian's unfortunate murder and gang rape was nothing more than a suicide or perhaps an accident at worst? These are questions that need to be answered.
Yeah.
And let me tell you one thing, that one of the ministers of the Mahayuti, Dhananjay Munde, was asked to resign a few days back.
Is there an issue with the network?
Because Caesar's wife
No
suspicion. There was no corroborative evidence against Dhananjay Munde. Yet he was asked to step down because the needle of suspicion pointed towards one of his confidants in the murder of the Panchayat official Santosh Deshmukh. My limited point is that when you are talking of good governance, you have to lead by example, which is exactly what the Fadnavis government and the Mahayuti is doing. Why is Uddhav Thackeray silent? Why is Aaditya Thackeray so cagey in front of press officials? He just says, मैंने तो महाराष्ट्रियन मराठी में बात की है, मैंने जो मराठी में कहा है उसको हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट कर लीजिए, आपको पता पड़ जाएगा मैं क्या कहना चाहता था.
No, he's very nervous. You can look at him. He's so shaky. He's so shaky he could cry. He's so shaky. Yesterday particularly, if you see the picture when he was standing behind his father, even father is shaky looking there. But if you just see the picture there, he's looking so shaky. Just look at the body language, shifty, shaky, very unsure. And I'll tell you one thing. I want you to tell him to face me for 5 minutes on this case.